And it does not look safe to cross. It's just moving way too fast. It'd take my feet right out from under me. Well, I'm back to the 1880 Victorian Farm, and the water level in the creek has tripled, and it does not look safe to cross. It's just moving way too fast. It'd take my feet right out from under me. So I'm going to do a shout out for some new tools I got in a very unexpected place. First, I got me some water boots. Let me set them here. Got me some new water boots that go up to the knee, and they're on sale at Tractor Supply Company, TSC, for $16.99. So I thought that was a really good deal. And then I broke my hand trowel, and I wanted one that was a hand size and a little bigger. And I went to get my dog's medicine at Rite Aid Pharmacy. And of all places to find this, I forget how many inches this is, but it's a good size. I got this gnarly trowel for half price, which ended up being like $6.59 or $6.49. And then I got the hand size. Let me get it out of my bag. The little hand size. They look like they're really sturdy, real well made. Got the hand size half price for $3 at Rite Aid Pharmacy. So if you're into bottle digging or want to get started inexpensively and you have a Rite Aid Pharmacy, check in their seasonal summer section. The stuff's on sale. So, and I'm going to have to wait because there's no way I can get across that. Not safely. I'm going to have to wait to go back to the dump over there. So much for working on part 3. Part 3 may be delayed, but part 2 will be this weekend. I decided to metal detect along the edges of the creek before I left. And I just found, I don't know what it is, I'll take it home and clean it up, but it says it's a lid to something glass, and it says, looks like December 12th, 1893. So that's interesting. I'm about 10 feet away from the west side of the dump. So that was my first target. When I got home and Googled the information on this washer thing, discovered it was the rim to the glass ball on a lightning rod. So that was a significant find on the opposite side of the dump. Then my second target, I'm not sure what this is. It's huge. It's an oval ring. An oval CCR, Henry. To give you an idea of the size of it, I'm going to put it next to my detector. That's how big it is. I have no idea what that is. So I'll get back to you if I find anything else. Be short, quick hunt. Okay, I got a 78 to 87 signal. I started digging and it looks burnt. See that? Looks like burnt earth. And I found what I think is a lantern part. That's what I think it is, because it still rings high on the machine. And then possibly something to an old cast iron stove. There's like decoration on it. So I don't know if you can do electrolysis on cast iron. Maybe. I'm not real familiar with that. That was my third hole. I just felt vibration behind me. That kind of creeped me out. There's nothing there. Alright, I'll get back to you if I find anything else. Okay, this is a big hole I started digging. I got like a really high signal. And I found all these things in this hole. That's iron. It's all iron. So they were big items that were ringing up high as if they were not iron. But all this iron pieces, part of a shoe. This, which I'm not sure what that is. Maybe it's a part of a bed spring. I don't know. It just seems strange that it's on something square. And that. There's another one of... There's two of these. Like some kind of locking mechanism. One's cleaned out, one isn't. But this looks like the door to a stove to me. So, but I found, you know, a couple pieces of thick glass, but I haven't found any more glass in the hole. I was hoping I'd find some glass on this side of the creek, but apparently not. So, that's it for a short hunt. Time to go home. It's getting dark.